Just speak slowly. What's been recalled? Pacemakers, are you serious? Yes, I know we have to get all of them. Who do they think I am?
When it comes to healthcare supply chains,
That's right.
Thank you.
every recall is mission critical.
Report?
We've eyes on all devices in the field.
Having real-time visibility into your supplies can be a matter of life or death.
You're not going to like this.
Try me.
We're recalling the ZMed 12 pacemaker.
Which one?
All of them.
One moment.
Oracle Product Recall can help you quickly locate and remove products that may have a direct adverse effect on patients.
95% secured in warehouses and stock rooms.
And we're satisfied with 95%?
Absolutely not, Director.
Let's track it down.
Trace every item down to the individual serial number.
10 haven't been moved to quarantine yet, but none were scheduled for use today.
Then what's that?
That shouldn't be there.
Yet it persists.
All in a single interface that puts you in control.
It's about to go into a surgery in Springfield.
Let's get it out of there.
But the surgery,
Don't cancel it. Find a replacement stat.
on it, sending notifications to the hospital, surgical staff, and surgeons.
So when the clock is ticking, you can act quickly and decisively.
Well done.
Thank you, Director.